So, Seb and I have decided to come on an impromptu camping trip, and we were searching everywhere near the beach and we found this place. I'm not going to tell you how much it is yet because it is unbelievable how much it costs in a really good way. Like, it's cheaper than most of the campsites we go to when we're only taking a tent. This is like 5 times cheaper than where we were last weekend. Seb's enjoying a little Sprite. Hang about, did you undo that on your own? So what I'm going to do, we're going to show you all around and see what it has to offer, see what additional costs there are involved, if there is any. I don't actually know. And then what we're going to do, we can see here, it's going to be the price of the campsite. Then all down here, it's going to be the additional costs that you needed to pay while you're here. If any, I genuinely don't know. Haven't really researched the site. It's got good reviews, but let's go and have a look. So we've been out all afternoon, and as you've seen, everything is pretty much free. I didn't actually ask how much the swimming was, but I think it might have been free. The ball pit, table tennis, everything like that, and that Sen bit in the evening as well, and all the different shows throughout the whole of the evening. There's a whole schedule in that. It's just all free. So maybe they get their money through food and drinks and that, because it's certainly not through the cost of the pitch. The pitch as well, I haven't even bothered doing electric because the solar's running fine. It's a warm, hot, sunny day. So, and the only thing that I've got on is the fridge. So I'm just going to check my solar right now, and we are still at 100% because we're getting so much from the solar. So I haven't even bothered to do hookup. So far, so good. Incredible. I haven't even told you the price yet. Like, it's insane. It's like a meal deal kind of price. Hey, how rude of me. I didn't even tell you what we're having for tea. So I'm going to be having this. Oh yeah, soba noodles. And Sebatron is going to be having this. Soba noodles as well. It's a staple diet. All kettle's done, gotta go, love you loads, bye. Seb's still eating his noodles. My only reservation so far about this campsite is there's like so many static caravans and touring areas, and this park could get incredibly filled up. Now the only problem is that I think, sorry about that, I was wondering who Seb was speaking to, but it was a dog that was outside that had a poo, but the owners just did clean it up. My only reservations is if this campsite, holiday park, no, it's a holiday park, it's not a campsite. If this holiday park was absolutely rammed, then I think the facilities would be overrun, because there's only a couple of showers actually on site. Now I know a load of the motorhomes and obviously the static caravans have showers in, but I don't know how many people actually can stay here. I mean, there's a lot of people here now, and the facilities are fine at the moment. We've had an absolutely brilliant day, and I highly recommend it, just, also based on the price and the free stuff as well. I'm going to go and see what Seb's up to now, because he's still eating his soba noodles, which has been about 35 minutes. I think Seb's taking the pee out of me speaking into the camera. Are you taking the pee out of me, Seb? He's being cheeky. I'll catch you in a bit. So far, so good. Price is going to come very shortly. So, you want to say something?
Me.
Told you. Seb has really enjoyed today. Met a good friend called Ethan. Didn't you? We went to the free Sen show, which was absolutely amazing. That was on for an hour. And actually what Seb got some slime. Didn't you, Seb? And before that, there was a live music show on. All this is free. And then we also went into the ball pit area. Again, also free. Everything is free. Now, the additional charges, like we saw at the start with the Wi-Fi and everything like that, I think that's to be absolutely expected. Seb has had a great time because there's lots of areas around here with parks and absolute free reign and where he can ride his scooter. So that is the main thing for Sebastian, isn't it? And we saw the toilets as well. Seb has a fascination with toilets and how they flush. So this little man is happy. And still, I know, I'm sorry, I haven't told you actually how much this park costs, but that will be coming in a matter of minutes. And you will honestly be shocked by this. Definitely coming back here again, aren't we, Seb?
Why?
That's Seb saying about the swimming pool as well.
The bear.
So he's also saying that in the morning, after bed, he wants to go swimming. Unfortunately, it doesn't open till 10:15 in the morning, so bear that in mind. Have a look before you actually get here because you can actually book activities, see activities and see what's available and what shows are on as well. You get this just a couple of days before you get here. So if it's in busy peak season, pre-book absolutely everything. But fortunately for us, it's not actually been that busy here. So we would have had absolute free reign if we were staying for longer than just one night. But we're heading home tomorrow because my wife, Catherine, has been painting the kitchen while we're away. So that was Seb saying he's been playing football, and also on the way down he's been listening to Guns N' Roses' Paradise City, which he absolutely loves, don't you? And he's been playing football outside with Ethan too. So we'll see you in the morning. The bed is all set up.
Bye.
Everything's all set up. Are you going to say bye?
Bye.
Bye, everyone, and we'll catch you in the morning, yeah? Seb, you're good on camera, you know. Stop picking your nose, though. OK, I'll get my pyjamas on. I have to get my pyjamas on, so. Seb, you could do YouTube stuff. See you in the morning. Good morning from a very windy holiday camp here. We had quite a good night's sleep. The wind was going a bit mad, but it was absolutely fine. We both had quite a good night's sleep, a good 7 hours. Seb, how many hours did you have?
No.
Toast. I'm doing his toast at the moment. So we've been over to the toilets, we've got ready, we've put the bed away, we've done absolutely everything already. Seb loves getting up early so we can just go out and explore again, but it's incredibly windy, like I said. Right, the price for this campsite. Bear in mind, I didn't even use the electrical hookup because I've really sorted out my solar panels now. So they are pulling in like everything that I'm using. So it's constantly just working incredibly well. And it was all because of a loose screw. One loose screw. So with electrical hookup on just grass, it was only £15. Now I didn't even use the hookup, so it would have only been £10 for all those facilities that you've seen that are free, which is mad. We are definitely... Seb, do you want to come back here again? He's nodding with a positive yes. Because of the park. You've seen the parks, you've seen the swimming pool, you've seen the table tennis, you've seen the play area, you've seen the sensory thing, you've seen the karaoke, you've seen the live music, you've seen everything. So Seb is incredibly happy with this park, as am I. Seb was just doing some singing. So in theory, £10, but I paid £15. So that was the price. So linked with all this cost of next to nothing, it's been a very, very good, cheap, budget-friendly weekend.